Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your lid hinge bumper. The reason why I might have to do this is because it's either damaged or lost. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer here. It's a KitchenAid, and this is what we're going to use for our repairs. Keep in mind yours might be a little bit different at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So to get to our lid hinge bumper, we're going to open up the top of our washer. And our lid hinge bumper is going to be right about here underneath. So all we have to do is follow the hinge and you'll feel the bumper right underneath this. And if you need to, you can adjust it a little bit and push the lid forward so you can pull that bumper off. And it slides off. Just be careful not to send it flying out of there. And there it is. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement lid hinge bumper. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And to put this back on, we're simply going to do the same thing. Reach underneath here, feel for where that metal hinge goes, get to the end of it, and just slide the bumper right on there. And again, you can move the lid around a little bit just to see if you need a little bit of space or something, and just push that all the way back on. Then you can close your door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.